If you're thinking about buying the Insta360 X4 or any 360 camera, really, you might want to hold off for just a bit. Something new is on the horizon. Well-known tech leaker Igor Bogdanov, the guy who's almost always ahead of the curve, just posted a teaser on X, formerly Twitter, and it looks like he's hinting at the upcoming Insta360 X5. He even shared a few renders, and from the looks of it, the X5 is shaping up to be a sleek upgrade. The overall body design sticks to Insta360's usual vibe, slim, rounded, and elongated, but the front now has a more sculpted premium look with sharp lines that give it a modern feel. Just below the lens, there's a small hexagon textured grille that's likely a microphone port. Insta360 is known for hiding mics all over its cameras for spatial audio, so this could be another subtle addition to enhance sound quality. Battery-wise, it's getting a small bump. The X4 had a 2,290 mAh battery, and the X5 is expected to come with a 2,400 mAh cell. Not a huge leap, but hey, any extra power is a win, especially for longer shoots. Now, here's where things get really interesting. One of the biggest rumors floating around is that the X5 might feature a 1-inch sensor, double the size of what the X4 had. If that turns out to be true, we're looking at seriously improved low-light performance, richer colors, sharper details, and potentially 100 megapixel photos in certain shooting modes. Yes, 100 megapixels. On a 360 cam. On the video side, the X5 is rumored to push beyond the 8K at 30 frames per second that the X4 already supports. Expect higher bit rates, smoother motion, and even better AI stabilization, ideal for capturing those sudden head tilts or fast movements without any jitter. And for audio lovers, there's talk of an upgraded mic setup with omnidirectional input and built-in wind noise reduction, perfect for outdoor shoots or action-packed scenes. Of course, nothing is officially confirmed just yet, but if Igor is already teasing it, we probably won't have to wait long for more leaks, or even an official announcement. Personally, I'm keeping a close eye on this one, and I'll keep you posted as soon as more info drops. That's all I've got for now. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one.